Hey folks, it's Fernando doing another video for Mars Survivalists. Found a great gem of a website. It's called Sarajevo Survival Tools. The actual link there somewhere says h.etf.unsa.va. Gonna be leaving the link below, guys, there in the description. It's gonna be faster for you guys to just click on it and get there. Just great, a fantastic website. As it says here, it says the Sarajevo Survival Tools project is the outcome of the cooperation between the Faculty of Electrical Engineering in Sarajevo and the Historical Museum of Bosnia and Herzegovina in the field of cultural heritage digitalization. Basically, it's the virtual museum showing the different tools used during the siege of Sarajevo, the different tools that the people use as to survive during the siege. So if you click here on list of objects, it just shows you the list of all the objects in question. If you click on any of them, for example, you click on oil lamp, it shows you how the oil lamps were made, a digital rendering of that object. If you click on photographic gallery, shows you the actual photographs of that object. And if you click on digital story, it's actually a little video explaining how that object was made and used. Right, even the parts that are in Bosnian, you have the subtitles there in English for you to understand what's being explained and such. But I find that one of the best ways of going about in this website is if you go for the digital the virtual museum, right? If you follow the link and you click there on the virtual museum, it takes you to this other website, to this other page. Digital story, the visitor through. It says digital story guides the visitor through the virtual museum. After viewing a segment of the story, visitors can explore the virtual gallery of objects mentioned in the story. Basically, if you click on the site map, this is the entire digital museum. You have water, you have light, food, cookers, cigarettes, you have medical instruments, weapons, communication, energy, hygiene, and sports. So let's, for example, click on cookers gallery. Here it takes you, as you see, to an exhibit showing the different objects, the different survival tools, right? You have the furnace made of a medical cabinet, right? It highlights it. Then you click on, you move the mouse over, pressure cooker oven, or if you move over this one, a cart for transporting wood. So let's suppose you click on the pressure cooker oven. It's basically the same thing. It takes you to the object, the page of that object, a description of that object, explaining the importance, how it was made and used and such. Then you click on the photographic photo gallery. You have the gallery of that actual object. And then if you click on the digital story, it takes you to a little video of that specific object, again with the subtitles. I mean, guys, the website is just packed full of great information. I just think it's pretty fantastic. I liked it a lot. I mean, it's so full of information. You have these little videos between the different exhibits. For example, if you go to hygiene, right, you have the different hygiene tools, right? And if you move between the exhibits, you have a little video as an introduction for each exhibit. Right. So basically a fantastic website. It's just full packed of information that no doubt you will find very informative, especially because this is all stuff that was actually used during the siege of Sarajevo. This isn't just guesses or someone's mind just thinking about stuff. It's what actually was being done and used during the siege of Sarajevo, and an explanation of how all of this was put together and used. Guys, that's all for now. Remember to subscribe, more stuff coming up. Have a great day and see you in our next video.